Hi, this is Matthew with Hometown Hybrids. Today we're going to show you how to remove and clean your mass airflow sensor. If you're having poor engine performance or engine failed to start codes, this is something you're going to want to check. The sensor is located in the engine compartment right in front of the airbox. It's a quick and easy process, only requiring a short Phillips head screwdriver and a can of mass airflow sensor cleaner. If you don't have a short screwdriver, I'll show you some alternative methods at the end of the video. First, remove the wire harness from the sensor. You don't have to open the airbox, but it's a good idea to have a look inside to make sure it's clean. Remove the two Phillips screws holding the sensor in place and the sensor will come right out. To clean the sensor, you should follow the instructions on the can. Basically, you're going to want to spray the sensor with 10 to 20 quick bursts of the cleaner. Make sure you let the sensor fully dry before reinstalling it in the vehicle. If you don't have a small screwdriver that will fit, you can use a socket wrench with a bit attachment. You can also use a pair of vice grips to hold a Phillips bit. And finally, you can remove these two 10mm bolts, which will let you lift up the whole airbox off the throttle body, giving you easier access to the sensor. Well, that's really all there is to it. If you have any questions or comments, you can email us at sales@hometownhybrids.com. Thank you.